This is a big elevator. US. Cowper. Palo Alto. Wow. Hard touch. They silenced the floor passing chime. Dover helps.
Brass handrail.
Oh yeah, that's an original handrail. It's like not quite hospital size, but it sounds like a Schindler going down.
It does.
Like an HT.
One more in here.
We can go again. Oh, it's got the really old style doors. Look.
Huh.
Those are like the ones that the Northerns use. They're counterweighted.
Yeah, this does not work at all.
Hello. ECI click. Yeah, it literally sounds like a Schindler HT.
I haven't been on too many hospital size. This is a weird hospital sized elevator.
That's what I'm saying. It's not quite hospital. It's like it can still fit a stretcher, but it's not like long way. I don't think it dinged the first time.